Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the spark plugs in your 2015 and newer, older Cherokee with a 3.2. As you can see, I got everything down to where it needs to be. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to get down there, but I do have a playlist where it's more in depth that a person can focus. Otherwise, the video will be too drawn out. So what we're going to do one spark plug at a time, remove the harness, remove a spark plug, and continue along until we're good to go. Just going over it quickly, remember, always disconnect the negative battery. I put a rag underneath it, and removing the air intake system is not too hard to do. It's actually really simple, just a lot of steps along the way, and this is just B-roll to show you guys. Like I said earlier in the video, there are two videos before this that show in depth exactly what you have to do to get it off. It looks a little intimidating, but if you take your time and do it, it's not a big problem. Anyways, once you remove the upper air intake, you're ready to start doing the spark plugs. Just gotta spray all those connections, get them all lubricated, so we can start doing the spark plugs. Just makes things a little easier to get them off, that's all. So these ones here, kind of push in, and then you push on the back to get the tab up and out. Same thing, push in, push on the back. There, and you get the idea. Just kind of hard, do it one-handed. Bolts for the coil are a 10 mil. Let's just get one out. Sometime today, pull the spark plug out. There we go, one came out. So right now, just shining a flashlight in there, making sure there's no oil or anything. Take my air gun, just want to blow the hole out. Get everything out that shouldn't be in there. For a second there, I didn't think I had the spark plug wrench. You don't want to be doing this hot either. You want to be doing this after the engine's been cooled down because you got aluminum heads and such. There we go. Put it in there carefully. We're gonna hand tighten this down. And you want to be very careful on the torque, so I'm just gonna tighten her up until it's snug. Okay, we're snug now. Work on these. There's very little at 13 inch-pounds. Right there. Always scares me when you're doing small torque. There we go. Either, so you want to make sure that your spark plug socket has the rubber that keeps the spark plug in place. That is important. Grab the torque wrench, set for 13 foot-pounds, and that one's torqued. So far, we're doing pretty good. And we'll get this one out. And the rear ones are going to be a little bit more difficult, that's for sure. Well, we know these rear ones aren't going to be too fun, but they're not in too bad of an angle or spot either, so I think I'll be all right. Get them out. I don't really like this, so I got this wobble. I'm dropping down, and then oh, I guess it just goes right there. Perfect. Never mind. I don't need something super long. I was getting a little bit worried there. There we go. And 13. We are torqued. I just kind of skipped ahead here in the rear ones because I think by now you kind of get the idea of what's all involved in doing the plugs. And that's it. There's a lot of work to do that. So there you have it. All 6 spark plugs are replaced. And if you're just doing this part, you want to reinstall new intake seals and put everything back together in reverse, torquing everything down. The intake is super important. Make sure it's torqued down properly and not over torqued. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.